Good morning, students. I welcome you all for this today's session. In our last class, we have seen that exercise problems based on that how to solve that equation, how to find the variable. And before that class, we have seen that variables, constant, expression with variable, expression without variable. These are the things so far we have seen. Am I right? Anyway, today we are going to see that the remaining problems in the exercise 11.5. Okay, so take your note and do the problem. Okay students, today we are going to see that remaining problems in exercise 11.5. Okay, so exercise 11.5 remaining problems. I gave homework problems in my previous class. That problem also I am going to do today. Okay, the fourth one, A problem I finished. Okay, that B problem we will see. Okay, so first one, B problem. The fourth one, B. Please read the problem. Complete the table and by inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation 5t equal to 35. So 5t which is equal to 35. So if you look at that left hand side, here one expression with variable they given. If you look at that right hand side, expression without variable they given. Okay, anyway, they gave tabular column t, 5t. So first t, what are the values? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. It's going on, right? Okay. First one, instead of t, you have to put 3 first one. So 5 into 3, what is the value? 15. Next 5 into 4, 20. So next 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 9, 45. 50, 55. Okay. So this kind of it will go. So if you put the tabular column means it will go this kind of. Okay, sorry. Okay. So out of these values of t, which value will satisfy? 3 if we put means 15 only came. 15 will not equal to 35. And 20 will not equal to 35. Next one, 25 also will not equal to 35. 6 means 30 only came, so 30 also will not be equal to 35. 7, if you see 7 means what will happen? 35. So left hand side 35, right hand side 35. So that means this value only. So if you put instead of t, if you put the value 7, this equation will satisfy. Am I right, students? So 5 into 7, 35. So left hand side also 35, right hand side also 35. So which means that both are equal. So for t value 7 is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. The next problem. So then what about 8? 40. So 40 not equal, 45 not equal, 50 not equal, 55 also not equal. Okay. So if you look at that next problem, C problem. Fourth one, C. So what they said, complete the table and find the solution of the equation z by 3 which is equal to 4. So this is the equation z by 3 equal to 4. So using the table. So table they given z by 3. First one, the value starts 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's going on, right? 15, 16, then after also it is going on. Okay. First one, if you put the value of 8, what will happen? Instead of z, first you have to replace 8. 8 by 3. Am I right? Next, 9 by 3. 10 by 3. 11 by 3. 12 by 3. 13 by 3. 14 by 3. 15 by 3. And last one 16 divided by 3. Okay, so there is no space. Okay, so first one, if you look at that, z by 3, it's a left hand side expression. Right hand side 4 they given, that is without variable expression. Okay, if you substitute the values of the z instead of that z, which value will be satisfied? So 8 by 3 will not be equal to 4. So 9 by 3 means, even though if you cancelled 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so you can cancel this one like mixed fraction, 2 3s are like this kind of 2 3s are 6 and the remaining 2 here. Okay, and 10 by 3, which is not equal, this also not equal. 11 by 3 not equal. 12 by 3, if you divide it means 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So the whole number we can divide it. See, this one it will not divide, and the last one will divide. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So if we cancelled this one, this improper fraction, we can convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so 4, when I cancelled that one, I got 4. That means left hand side I got 4. So in right hand side also 4. That means this value will be correct value. Okay, this is the exact number which will satisfy the equation. What is that number? What is that value? Z equal to 12. So if we put instead of z equal to 12 means 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. That means 12 divided by 3, 4. So 4, which is equal to 4. Okay. Okay, the next one, 14 by 3, 15 by 3, and even 16 by 3, 17 by 3, which is not equal to that right hand side value. So the next problem is complete the table and find the solution of the equation m minus 7 equal to 3. So the equation is m minus 7 equal to 3. First one, m value they given, m minus 7. So m value, what is that m value? First one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going on. Okay, okay, even I will keep 11, 12. Okay, so remaining value you can put. So instead of m, you have to replace the value 5. Okay, so 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 means small number minus big number, means you have to subtract big number to small number first. 7 minus 5, 2, and then you have to put the symbol of big number, that symbol minus. Okay, small number to big number, if you subtract means minus symbol you have to put. So minus 2. So first one, minus 2. 6 minus 7, minus 1, 7 minus 7, 0, 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 7, 3, 11 minus 7, 4, 12 minus 7, 5. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, students. Among these all the values, which one will satisfy? You can say 5, if you put means minus 2 came, so minus 2 will not be equal to 3. Okay, so minus 2 will not be equal to 3. Minus 1, which is not equal to 3. 0 which is not equal to 3 and 1. What about 1? So 1 also not equal to 3, 2 also not equal to 3. But what will happen here? 3 came, so left hand side value m minus 7, 3 came. So which value if you put means it will come 10. Okay, so 10 if you put means 10 minus 7 which is equal to 3 in the left hand side and the right hand side 3, both are equal. That means this equation will satisfy the value of m which is equal to 10. So under this value of 10 only will satisfy. So others and all will not satisfy. Okay students, can you understand? So first you have to take that value and substitute that values. Whether you got left hand side and right hand side both also equal means you can predict that number will satisfy that equation. Okay students, okay, in the third problem, I left that C, D, E, F. So first we will look at that C problem. Okay, so if it did means no problem, first you have to check the answer. P minus 5 which is equal to what is that value? 5. P minus 5 equal to 5. We are going to check the value of P. They given 0, 10, 5, minus 5. Among these all values we are going to replace, instead of P we are going to put the values 0, 10, 5, minus 5. Whether with which number will satisfy the equation, that we are going to find. So first one, P minus 5 which is equal to 5. So first one you have to put the value 0. So for P value I have taken 0. So 0 minus 5 which is equal to 5. So small number, big number. So small number to big number, if you subtract means minus will come. 0 minus 5, 5 only will come. Okay, that means 5 minus 0. So small number to big number, if you subtract means just subtract normal way and then you have to put symbol minus. So minus 5 plus 5. So here minus, here plus. So that means what are the thing is minus 5 will not be equal to plus 5. Okay students, so the next value we are going to see that for 10. So P minus 5 which is equal to 5. For P value 10. So just put the value of 10 here. 10 minus 5 which is equal to 5. So 10 minus 5, 5 equal to 5. So this equation will satisfy. So under the value of 10, this equation will satisfy. Okay, so we found the answer. Anyway, we are going to check the remaining the two value also. So next two value what they given, P minus 5 equal to 5. P value here we are going to take that P equal to 5. So 5 minus 5 which is equal to 0, am I right, which is equal to 5. Okay, so if we substitute 5 minus 5 equal to 0, so 0 will not be equal to 5. So that means the P equal to 5 will not be the solution of P minus 5 equal to 5. Okay, the next one minus 5. So P minus 5 which is equal to 5. P value here I have taken minus 5. Instead of P just write minus 5 equal to plus 5. So remember one thing students, whenever if there is the symbols are same, we have to add and we have to put one common symbol. So here also minus 5, here also minus 5 means first we have to add 5 plus 5. What's the number? 10. And here how many time minus came? Commonly minus, here also minus, here also minus. So 1 minus we have to put. Always remember, same symbols are present mean we have to add. So minus 10, 5. So minus 10 will not be equal to 5. So that case, for p equal to minus 5, this equation will not satisfy. Okay students, understood? So whenever the symbols are same, we have to add. So plus 5 means plus 10 will come. So no need to put plus in front of the positive number. But you have to know minus